Beautiful spring evening here. First ride out, 604 of blue light and Raeneshadow. Rain, making it rain. Ooh, the SV looks good. SV looks good.
Happy when I rain.
Yeah, only happy when you rain.
604 blue light chicken in.
He's only happy when he's blue. So where are we going today?
We are headed towards, well, we'll start off with going towards SFU.
Mm-hmm.
Go down the back roads.
Okay.
And I think we need to get on this lane, but...
Yeah, let's just,
I'll take it.
let's just sneak in there. We'll just weasel our way in. Thank you.
Fair fight.
Snarkle our way in there.
And after SFU, Burnaby Mountain, we'll just head out to Okara area.
Ooh, SV looks good.
Bunsen Lake.
Yep.
This is my first ride of the, well, sorry, I shouldn't say that. My first ride on my own bike of the 2019 riding season. I've forgotten how torquey it is. I have forgotten how torquey it is.
It's a V-twin leader bike. It's going to be torquey.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
That's
Holy crap.
I've still got to get lift the tank on this and take a look at the air filter.
Yeah.
Do the plugs in a couple thousand K. Comes due.
right.
So looking forward to further down in the ride. I'll stop recording for now. Save some space. And we'll get some nice footage later.
Of me.
We'll try and get some nice footage later.
Of me.
Oh, we're gonna go straight here.
Okay?
Yeah.
No exit here.
I'm not going to go straight here.
Straight.
There's no exit.
No exit in there?
Yeah.
No exit.
Where are we going? Up?
Son of a left then.
Left? Down?
No, that noise is up there.
Oh, is it?
Okay, I'm turning left here then.
Okay.
Okay.
Quiet is like it.
Right? Sewing machine.
It does look good.
Bam. There, that'll be my thumbnail.
Yeah. Oh, I should face that way. What's up, brother? Yeah, brother.
I think that was my friend.
Oh, really? On the Jixus?
Yeah.
Was that a Jixus?
750, yeah.
Nice. That's a nice
I think
bike.
that was my friend.
I thought it was a BMW 310, like 310, whatever
It
it is.
kind of looked like it, right?
Yeah.
Left here, is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a left here.
Okay.
Well, it was a Jixus, wasn't it?
It looked like it. It might have been a BMW. I'd have
Yeah.
to check the footage. It's too...
The 310s are tiny.
Yeah, they are.
It's bad that I just looked at the geranium.
Admiring the garden, are we?
Yep.
That's
It was like,
nice.
nice.
So,
No geranium.
you know,
Oh, look, lupins.
lupins, lupus,
Lupus.
lipids.
Lupus. Yonder boy.
Nice dog. Nice dog.
Aw.
Oh, so cute. Ah.
If I spits, I split.
Yeah, screw it. Filtering should be totally legal.
Oh, yeah.
Just makes sense.
Noise filter.
Okay, we got to do a Harley demo day next, though. Seriously.
Yeah.
I want to ride a freaking
I think
ultra
so.
classic or something, like a gigantic road glide, just something huge. So Ian, you want to switch bikes?
Oh, man.
Do it.
Here you go, Matt. Here you go, right here.
This is the spot. Right here, going right, first gear.
Oh, yeah.
First gear, right here. Just hammered it. It just came up. Nice.
Holy crap!
You got it up. I saw.
I did it!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
What gear was that? First?
That was so easy! That was so easy! This thing just went!
Oh yeah, man. It's an
Holy
SV1000.
crap!
You just wheelie again?
No, I didn't. He did.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't
Yeah, I
see it
did.
at all.
I saw you get it up.
Holy crap!
Mm-mm-mm.
Oh, I felt it! The tip of my pee-pee is just right up on my freaking...
Your PP needs adjustment?
Yeah, totally.
I hate that. That's the worst. Especially when it's cold.
When I get pinched. Oh.
Oh, it's getting pissed.
Look at Tana, remember that thing? I think it was a nut squisher.
Cheers like I fun by me.
Well, you have different anatomy than we do, Cher.
Almost at White Pine Beach on this gorgeous night of riding.
Just the lights just golden, eh? Like coming through the trees.
Yeah.
This is pretty.
The sun starts to go down. It's really...
And we got Mr. Abstract Productions and Mr. Raeneshadow behind us. Okay, let's go find some good parking here, and
I know they said it was full.
It's like,
that's not full.
that's not full. That's going to be my my thumbnail. The Park Service lied. It's not full at all. With my best shade tree surgeon voice. Park surgeon lied.
Park surgeon lied.
Let me tell you why, guys.
Let me tell you why I hate Harley.
This is why Sportsters suck.
Alright, we're taking off here. I'll just go in the lead so that I can get these guys in my rear view camera.
This thing in my turn. Oh my gosh, this is weird. I feel like I'm sitting on a chair.
I feel like I'm flying. I'm like Superman on this thing.
I'm going to listen to Ian's comments, play by play. The Reckless behind me and the FZ.
Oh, that was a big part.
It's exhaust expulsion there.
Yeah.
All good.
Just for you, I lifted out of the seat.
This thing sounds mean, loud.
Okay, it's just a 30 here, guys.
Yep. This thing, how does this not kill your ears, Ian?
Whatever.
I have earplugs.
I can see why. It's like droning into my skull.
Oh, this is so weird.
It's different, right?
Oh my gosh.
This thing flicks really easily.
Yeah.
Because
You don't have much ground clearance, surprisingly. Though.
No, I know, but because you're in such a leaned over position with this,
Yeah.
like it's just.
You don't have much ground clearance. You shouldn't even have to worry about that.
Well, I don't for sure, but.
Oh, and the Virago. Okay, never mind.
Oh, that said you got plenty. Don't worry.
Yeah.
But it's a bit. I don't feel as confident leaning on it because you're very upright, right?
Yeah. Be real gentle and clutch, too. Holy rugged! Oh no! That is fast. Holy cow!
Right? You're not even in A mode, are you?
No, it's not mode. Oh my gosh! That was frightening.
It's scary, man, when you open that thing up.
Oh, I gave it like half throttle.
Yeah, and even then.
Oh,
I'm in the wrong.
Oh, your brakes.
This is wrong. This is wrong.
yeah, this is in it.
Sorry.
How do you the tank shape on this thing, Ian?
Holy cow!
You get used to it, Matt.
I guess so. Like I feel like I can't squish my
Exactly.
legs in.
Well, you do have longer legs though than all of us, so.
True.
Yeah, the tank shape. Yeah, it's rough.
I don't
Yeah.
like that.
That's why I'm
really
kind of that's one of the things I think intimidates Cher about that bike.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So if you put the original tank on, original seat.
I think you should convert this back to mid control. Dude, the brakes on this thing. Sorry.
Yeah, they're bad.
They're scary, man. But I'm used to the FZ, right? So.
The brakes on this thing are scaring me. Like,
Oh, I know.
So
Like
strong.
easy to look. Yeah, very touchy.
The last time I was on that Virago, it felt so foreign to me. It was so foreign. I've had that bike for 2 years.
Don't get me wrong. This thing's really nice to ride. Like it shifts well. It's very smooth.
But
Better brakes would make it.
Better brakes to make a big diff for sure.
Yeah, typically old Japanese bike though.
Yeah, 100%.
Typical. Yeah, if you get a front end conversion, imagine. Wow. With a modern front brake,
Yeah.
it would be too much for the bike though.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
The bike doesn't go fast enough to warrant it.
You can ride this thing all day.
Yep.
Not get tired.
Yeah.
What do you think of the throttle, Ian?
It's pretty snatchy.
It is very snatchy, yeah.
Even in standard mode?
Yeah.
Yep. I don't really ride it in B mode, so I think it's a little smoother.
I'm used to Virago. It's like, it doesn't matter how much throttle you give it, it just lets go. Big noise.
I love how much the signals jiggle.
Oh yeah, they're all over. This is incredibly bumpy though.
Yeah.
Giant.
Yeah, those got to be changed.
Oh my gosh, it's like,
Oh, yeah.
Yep. I fell in love with that bike, man.
Dancing, yeah.
Dancing queen in front of me there.
Yeah.
No
It's
parking.
got great balance too. Like just walking it, easy.
Oh yeah, very easy. Low speed stuff is simple.
Gosh, it's freaking fast. Oh, gee.
Yeah, we haven't even had the chance to open it up.
Not really. I mean, I do a little bit, but not even close to it.
Brake tense on it
Oh,
too.
it's closed. Damn it!
Ah. Sneak through? No, just kidding.
Well, what do you think of the CP3?
Poor Matt. Can't keep up.
I can't.
It's a good engine, man.
Yeah, it's all around, you know.
It
Yeah.
is. It's amazing.
I mean, it's not going to be top end as fast as like a liter bike, but
Yeah.
who cares? I don't ride up there anyway.
I do see what they made about the throttle. Like it's really snatchy.
Yeah, and this one's even been reflashed by Yamaha.
Is it time for you to put it to A mode there, Ian?
Do it.
No.
Do it.
Yeah, just do it.
No.
Just,
Okay.
it's just a little more aggressive, that's all.
We
No,
all
I'm good.
did it.
No, I'm good.
Don't be scared.
No, it's fine. I'm
Don't
good.
be scared of it.
Oh, you have good
Okay.
throttle control, and you got nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
I don't have good throttle control right now. I'm all over.
Oh, you're fine. This bike's nice, though, Ian. I like it.
Look at him go.
Oh my god. That was full throttle in third.
Ouch.
Oh, really?
And
Yeah.
downhill. And downhill.
Did you actually open it all the way up?
Yeah.
Dang.
What, took about 8.
Dude, you don't... See?
Pardon?
Try it in A.
No.
Try it in A.
No. It's the throttle, it's the smoothness of the throttle that I'm worried about, not the...
It's actually just,
serious.
it feels the same, it's just it's just
Feels
more
the
powerful.
same. Just, yeah.
It's just,
No, it's just,
no more
it's
balls.
just- it's not giving me full power right now. That's
Basically, it's
Yeah.
just, yeah. It's,
So lighter map.
fine. Gosh, just all that.
the interpolation of the TPS, basically.
Yeah.
1981 Yamaha Virago XV750.
So there you go.
Win.
The first ride, Matt.
Well, not exactly, but
Yeah.
Gosh, just all.
Oh.
Quick. Unbelievable quick. Oh, there's Matt. I was like, he's gone.
No, he's good.
I'm just listening, trying to get your thoughts on the bike and see what you guys think.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, nice. All right, on the way back, you're putting it to A mode. Now that you're used to it. Well, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, when I rode the FJ on the test ride, I put it in A mode within like a block. It's like, let's put it in A mode.
Exactly.
Whatever. Not to sound cocky,
That
but
was half throttle.
It was, you know how you think how good and how fast the bike is right now? Put it in A mode, and it's like a whole nother bike.
yeah, it wakes it up. It's a different level.
Just different level. Wakes up. Always putting it to A mode. There's a map behind us, and it's Cafe Racer.
Totally cafe it out right now.
Coffee Racing. Coffee and Tea Crumpet Racing. Alright. A mode. A mode time. Park it right here and then A mode it. Oh, he's an A. Oh, he's got the smile. I saw it. I saw the smile on his face.
I don't know.
Do
It's an
it.
A mode.
Bad idea.
Do it.
No, it's
Bad
not.
idea, 50.
I wonder why that said though.
Sure.
Yeah, that was just full third gear. And battery's dead.
Oh, the GoPro battery died.
Oh,
Yeah.